When we see someone violating the law, we immediately think of informing the police. Because of the role played by the police in arresting persons, we often get confused and think that it is the police who decide whether a person is guilty or not. However, after a person is arrested, it is a court of law that decides whether the accused person is guilty or not. According to the Constitution, every individual charged of a crime has to be given a fair trial. In this chapter, we will study role of the police in investigating a crime. The fundamental function of the police is to investigate any complaint about the commission of a crime. A probation includes recording statements of witnesses and collecting different kinds of evidence. On the basis of the investigation, the police are required to form an opinion. If the police think that the evidence points to the guilt of the accused person, then they file a charge sheet in the court. But it is not the job of the police to decide whether a person is guilty or innocent. Therefore, police investigations always have to be conducted in accordance with law and with full respect for human rights. Guidelines laid down by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has laid down the following guidelines that the police must follow at the time of arrest, detention and interrogation. They are not allowed to torture or beat or shoot anyone during investigation. They cannot inflict any form of punishment on a person, even for petty offences. Article 22 of the Constitution and criminal law guarantee to every arrested person the following fundamental rights. The right to be informed at the time of arrest of the offence for which the person is being arrested. The right to be presented before a magistrate within 24 hours of arrest. The right not to be ill-treated or tortured during arrest or in custody. Confessions made in police custody cannot be used as evidence against the accused. A boy under 15 years of age and women cannot be called to the police station only for questioning. Role of the public prosecutor. In court, it is the public prosecutor who represents the interests of the state. His role begins once the police has conducted the investigation and filed the charge sheet in the court. He or she has no role to play in the investigation. The prosecutor must conduct the prosecution on behalf of the state. As an officer of the court, it is his or her duty to act impartially and present the full and material facts, witnesses and evidence before the court to enable the court to decide the case. Role of the judge. The judge is supposed to conduct the trial impartially and in an open court. The judge hears all the witnesses and any other evidence presented by the prosecution and the defense. The responsibility of the judge is to decide whether the accused person is guilty or innocent on the basis of the evidence presented and in accordance with the law. If the accused is convicted, then the judge pronounces the sentence. He may send the person to jail or impose a fine or both, depending on what the law prescribes. What is a fair trial? Article 21 of the Indian Constitution that guarantees the right to life states that a person's life or liberty can be taken away only by following a reasonable and just legal procedure. A fair trial ensures that Article 21 of the Constitution is upheld. It is significant that the judge decides the matter only on the basis of the evidence before the court. This means that every citizen, irrespective of their class, caste, gender, religious and ideological backgrounds, gets a fair trial when accused.